Hey guys, 64 Valiant Steed here again, and this is just an update video to show you how clean my engine bay, or at least my engine, is looking after using my Holy Cow degreaser. So if you watch the other video, you'll see that it's it's fairly dirty, but it's looking a lot better. Some of the discoloration is from just years of heat. I even cleaned up this side a little bit. And I like to keep here by the manifolds clean, so I know if it's leaking, because it'll be black. And if I keep it clean, I'll notice the leaks. Here's where the starter was. Really clean compared to what it was. And that's looking pretty good. I could have done better, but just wanted to kind of go over it, before I put the starter back in. And all this is from gasoline. And I can't, it's discoloration down in there. Could probably, no, that's missing. It's clean. It's missing paint down there. And cleaned off that a little bit. Try to wipe everything off of. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Looks a lot better.